Designed to turn heads, the Hyundai Sonata and Sonata Hybrid aren't just about looks. They're about elevating every drive with cutting-edge technology that keeps you connected, comfortable, and in control. Convenience begins before you even step in the vehicle. With proximity key entry and push-button start, your Sonata recognizes you. Front and center is the stunning 12.3-inch touchscreen display. Navigation, media, and vehicle settings are all right where you need them, with intuitive access that feels effortless. With Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, your smartphone becomes part of the experience. Access your apps, messages, music, and maps seamlessly. Stay connected safely with Bluetooth hands-free calling and wireless audio streaming. Take calls, play your favorite playlists, and keep your focus where it belongs, on the road. Need flexibility? The Sonata supports multiple device connections, up to 2 devices at once. Because modern life doesn't slow down, and neither should your car. Passengers stay powered too. With 2 USB Type-C charging ports in the second row, everyone stays connected. The rear-view monitor with parking guidance gives you a clear view with dynamic guidelines that help you maneuver confidently in tight spaces. Every detail is designed around you, blending smart technology with refined comfort and unmistakable style. The Sonata, backed by an industry-leading America's Best 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, so you're covered for the long haul. Sonata has also earned the IIHS Top Safety Pick, because protecting the people you care about shouldn't be an upgrade. And with every Hyundai sold, a donation is made to Hope on Wheels to fight childhood cancer. Together, we've raised over $303 million. The Hyundai Sonata and Sonata Hybrid. Smarter, sleeker, more connected than ever. Experience it for yourself at your local Hyundai dealer.